Hey guys, and welcome back. Today is gonna be another kind of unbagging video. This is gonna be the first IPSY glam bag on my channel. I did have IPSY a few years ago. I have been canceled for like 2 years now. It's been a minute. And I felt like, you know what? I wanna revisit IPSY. I wanna see what they are up to. You know, how have things changed since I last had it almost 2 years ago? It's crazy to think. It was before I even started my channel. So let's go ahead and jump into this. This is of course the April bag. I am also looking at getting the Glam Bag Plus. Fingers crossed I'm gonna get that bag very soon, or not the bag, the box. But this is of course just the regular little bag one. This is a $10 subscription. Double checking here on the website, yes, 5 deluxe samples every month for just $10. So let's just go ahead and get into this little thing. The lemons on this is adorable. This actually reminds me of the Kate Spade series that she had a little while ago. They had it for spring or summer, and my mom actually has a bag with lemon print that's kind of like this. Very cute. I love this. Bet you my mom's gonna steal this. So inside here you get this little pamphlet. Now in season fresh spring beauty, and then you open it up and it looks like this is all of the products in which you receive. This is definitely different from when I first had my IPSY bags. It was not in this little pamphlet form, and I had to look up the products separately. I do believe you got some little card, but I don't remember it having this much details about the products you would get. So I like this little add-on so you get a little bit more knowledge about each piece. So inside of this bag, I do have 5 items. Ooh, first up in the bag is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty, Double Duty, Base Tape Hydrating Primer. This is a new product by Tarte. It is part of their new face tape line, which I did do a video on with face tape, if you want to check that out. So this is a completely new primer, which is really exciting to try out. I did see this one come out and I just didn't pick it up, so I really like that I got a little sample of that. It's not too bad of a size either. It is about 1/3 of an ounce. A little bit more than 1/3. A full size is 1 fluid ounce that costs you $30, so this is a really great little size to be able to try out the product. I'm just a little bit curious here. Oh wow, that is a liquidy. Holy moly, I put way too much. I mean, it is a hydrating primer. And this is supposed to be loaded with jojoba oil and grapeseed oil. Oh, that smells really good. Ooh, looking here, it says it also has coconut in it to smooth the skin, which I can smell a hint of coconut in it. I love the smell of coconut. Hate coconut itself. I can't drink it, can't eat it. I just love the smell of it, so I will always sniff coconut things. Smells good. And it says it's supposed to keep you hydrated for 12 full hours. Ooh. It did dry into place and has a little bit of a tackiness to it, so that could be really good. I'm excited to test that out. I do have a foundation I'm gonna pair that with that is a little bit drier, and I wanna see if that helps to make that foundation go on a little bit smoother and hydrate. Second up in the bag, I should probably go with this one. This was outside of the bag. It is 2 face masks. One is the Red Fruits Brightening Mask, and the second is the Broccoli Plumping Mask. That would be something if this smelled like broccoli. I do love a good set of sheet masks. I have a little collection going on behind me. This is my little mask tray, and these are the face mask situation I got going on back here. I love to mask. And each one has different solutions for what it's supposed to combat. So the brightening, uneven skin tone, dryness, dullness, and uneven texture. The plump skin one, signs of aging, tired skin, lack of vitality. Ooh. I have not heard of this brand before, so I haven't tested out these masks. I will definitely give one a chance tonight. Which I looked up the broccoli one, and it says for a 5-pack on Amazon, it's $30. So this is about a $6 mask right here. Each one. You have about $12 here in masks. That's not too shabby. Quite expensive masks, if you ask me. But I'm definitely excited to give these a shot. I'm gonna be trying the broccoli one first. Third up in the bag is actually a brush by Billion Dollar Brushes. Actually, isn't there $1 billion brows too? Hold on, hold on. Yeah, so same brand, but different products. So this is the $1 Billion Brows. I got this in an BOXYCHARM a few months back. I have a little bit of experience with the brand. Wow, that is fluffy. Feels really good. It is, of course, a fan brush. Ooh, so soft. I think we all have a little bit of a preference what kind of brushes we like. I personally enjoy more of a tapered highlighting brush where you get a little bit more product. This one I feel like is a little bit skinny, so you have to fluff it out quite a bit, whereas this one you can just go like whoop and done. But it does feel like a really good brush, so it's gonna give you a lot of give to fluff out the product. Let's just add a little bit more highlighter. Let's have fun with this. I do already have highlight on the face, but let's just add a little bit more, you know? I'm blinded. I mean, this is a good little brush right here. Definitely a good amount of product is dispersed, not thin, not flimsy. It's a solid feeling brush. Is it still my preference of brush? No, but it's good. There is no way. I'm looking it up on their website right now. This fan brush says it's $20. Wow. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free, charcoal-infused synthetic bristles, well known for an antimicrobial effect. I don't even know what that means. And it's a soft handle that grips easy. Okay, yeah, it's true. It's a matte handle. You hold it like any other handle. That price right there shocks me. I didn't think it was gonna be this expensive of a brush, but hey, good little brush. Now let's keep it on going with our fourth product. This is the Sugar Cosmetics Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal in Blackout. I know I butchered that name, so I'm so sorry. But it is a Kohl pencil in, of course, the shade black, and it is one of these retractable pencils, so you don't have to sharpen it, which is always nice. Let's do a little swatch right here of it. Ooh, that glided really nicely. You know what? We're here, we're doing it. I'm gonna put a little bit of this and Tightline on the lash line. I sometimes do this to help form the false lashes with your natural lashes. It gives it a little bit more of a seamless effect. So let's see how this does. If I'm able to really get the color off or if it's dry. I wanted to see if I could get a value for this one. So on their website, Sugar Cosmetics, it says it's in rupees for $249, and then when you convert that to US dollars, it makes it about, ooh, let me bring you closer here, $3.59. It's a decent price for a black liner. It did feel really creamy and glided across the top lash line really nice. Didn't have any issues, and as I was sitting putting that on my eyes and looking this product up, I did let the swatch kind of dry down because it says it's supposed to be transfer proof, smudge proof, and waterproof. I wanted to test it and I gave it a couple minutes here now, so let's see. Maybe you need it longer? It was a few minutes though. Okay, let me put another swatch, put it right here, put another one just right about here. Whoop. And I will circle back to that at the end after I've unboxed all the products, talked about it, and we'll see if it's really transfer proof and smudge proof and waterproof and all of that. So keeping on going in our cute little lemon bag, we got a lip product. This is the Balm Cosmetics theBalmJour Creamy Lip Stain in Namaste. Here is what a swatch of it looks like. Man, and that has some staying powers. When they say it's sustained, they really mean it. Ooh, well, let's try it. Why not? Let's wipe away this lip color and just apply it. So this is a cute little berry color, and I just dipped into the product once and just working that through. I just blend a little bit with my fingertip here. That's what that looks like all worked out. I'm kind of curious, if you were to take the color away, oh yeah, you get a nice cute little tint from it. So I actually really like this. I think this would be really good on more natural days too, if you just want to add a little tint to the lips but you don't want to go full on with a lip product. I think this could be really good. And I mean, it's a decent size of product. I think it's half of a fluid ounce, which I think is pretty decent. I don't really go through lip products all that often. So I think this could last quite a bit. So let's do a quick little recap here of the April glam bag. Now, since I canceled it almost 2 years ago, I do think they have upped their game a little bit. Before, it was a lot of sample sizes, and that's one of the main reasons in which I canceled. And they were fairly small sizes. I still have some of them hidden in my cabinets. I didn't use them because it was just such a tiny amount, or it was products I wasn't interested in. And these were honestly really good products that I see myself using. So we're off to a great start here with testing out Glam Bag one more time. I will definitely use up these sheet masks very soon. This hydrating Tarte primer, I'm gonna be testing that out. Lip product was great. The Kohl pencil. Dang, not smudge proof. Good little black liner pencil. I mean, nothing wrong with it. It did feel really creamy. You just may have some smudging issues. I will definitely keep you guys updated if I see any smudging from the top lash line. And the $20 brush, not too shabby in that department. Not necessarily my first choice of brush, but I do really like that they are starting to put more things that have a little bit of a better value, where you feel like you're getting your money's worth, because that was a thing I was missing before. I felt like my money wasn't, you know, getting its full potential, its full value, if you say. Which I know sounds a little bit like, you know, you're paying $10. What do you expect? The world? No. But it was just something I felt like it was just a lot of samples that maybe you could receive at Ulta, Sephora, and things like that. So that's one of the reasons why I canceled. I'm definitely intrigued to see how this continues to blossom. I will keep you guys updated. Let me know in the comment section down below, number 1, what your thoughts are on IPSY glam bags, and number 2, if you want me to continue doing these unbaggings. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!